Neometals is an integrated project developer with direct exposure to the electric vehicle and the energy storage megatrend. Neometal's battery recycling technology addresses the opportunity coming from the massive expansion of lithium batteries hitting the market. We've got 99 gigafactories. We're going to increase the volume of batteries by a factor of 10. And currently, outside of China, only about 5% are recycled. Now, we've got a process that is environmentally friendly, closes the loop, recovers the valuable materials that can be reused back into this battery supply chain. The Neometals lithium battery recycling project is meeting what the market wants. The market needs an environmentally sustainable, safe recycling process to close the loop, to catch the valuable materials that are lost in production at the end of life. What that'll do is then we can supply that back into the chain. A helicopter view of the process is that we aggregate the batteries, we take the off-spec and the car makers supply their batteries to us. We shred those. That makes them safe to move around. We then run them through a beneficiation process that'll take the steel casings out, it'll take the aluminium and copper sheet that the anodes and cathodes come on, it'll take the plastics out. That essentially leaves us with a black powder or a black mass. What we then do is we put that in a sulfuric acid solution and then we sequentially remove the minerals, and the end product is high purity sulfates. And we also recover the lithium, so essentially we are closing the loop. Partnering with SMS is another tick in the box for our central strategy. So we identify the projects, we build the value internally, and we bring in partners to monetize this, accelerate returns. And so SMS are a massive group, They've been around for 140 years. They operate in 95 locations around the world. They've got more than 13,000 employees. So they are a perfect partner to build and operate these plants in the joint venture. So our current memorandum of understanding with SMS, we are exclusive to each other for a period where we will negotiate a joint venture period. In parallel, we'll finish off our pilot plant that is pretty much materially complete. We'll negotiate the joint venture, we'll look to execute that. Once we execute the joint venture, we will equally be funding a demonstration plant which will be operated in a hub and spoke model with the comminution and the shredding of the batteries happening in Germany and the hydromet processing at their facilities in Austria. In parallel with the demonstration plant, we'll be conducting a Class 3 engineering study. That'll enable us to consider a final investment decision before the end of 2020. Having a partner in Europe is key to actually securing the European car makers and the cell makers. Neometals has been great in creating the technology, running the pilot plant, but we really need arms and legs on the ground to build this, operate and maintain. We're looking at very, very large customers with very, very large requirements. They will need to know that there is a big brand name behind this.
Neometals, developing innovative projects in minerals and advanced materials.